Okay, so at this point we have, if you've been using the live paint bucket tool, you've been coloring in all of your different areas. The last thing that we need to do is we need to add a background color. We're going to add a background color. So the way that we're going to do that is on the toolbar, I'd like you to select your rectangle tool. Select your rectangle tool. And with that rectangle tool, you're going to draw a rectangle the size of your whole page. So I'm just going to click up in the top, and I'm going to click and hold and drag all the way to the bottom and let go. More than likely, whatever your fill color is on is what your rectangle will look like right now, and we will be able to change that in a moment. After your rectangle is drawn, if you will right click anywhere on it, go to Arrange and Send to Back.
Wait, so where do we go? Again.
Once you have it sent to back, now with it selected, you can go up and you can change your fill color to fit what you want. I also like to add a stroke color. This is just my personal preference. I increase the size of the stroke so that you can see it, so it kind of looks like it's framed. Once you are satisfied with your background fill color, and if you've gotten everything else filled in, you will save it, do a file save, and then you will do a file save as and save it as a PDF to turn in.